What have you do to get your love? Girl, I don't give you all I got, but it's not enough for you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Yeah, today I did a back to school makeup look. Hello, I'm here to slay. So basically I just like it's into summer and school will be resuming here in France. I don't know from other countries, but particularly in France we have 2 weeks for the school to resume. So actually I was like, okay, let me just do a back to school makeup tutorial. Like this one is really particular because we did something but it's not really that much. Anyways, I like how this look turned out. I love how cute it is. I love how simple it is. I love how flawless it is. It's not really that much, but it's something, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Yes, and those new subscribers, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Bye bye. Hey, hello, welcome back to our channel. How you guys been doing? What's up? So yeah, I'm here with the back to school makeup tutorial. Like I feel like this past 2 months actually went so fast. I don't know, but I think so. Anyways, we're gonna go straight to this look. First off, I moisturize my face. I used my lip gloss I got from S Cosmetics. So right now I'm just applying my foundation, Fenty Beauty, the shade 385, and I'll be using my concealer just to highlight my face. So if you guys also want me to do a 5 minutes makeup tutorial for school, for those of you that don't like too much makeup, I can also make a video for that. In fact, I think I'm gonna make a video for that. But yeah, today just like have fun with this makeup. Now I'm going to contour my face using my ColourPop, I guess. Just going to contour my nose, the areas like I want to contour. So now you're going to blend everything, like blending. Blending is the key to flawless makeup, because you want your makeup to look as natural as possible. So you're going to blend so well so you don't leave any harsh lines. Now I'm going back to my highlight just to like highlight a little bit under my eye. So for school, you don't have to do too much makeup like I said before, but since some of us is the first time after 2 months we've not been to school, we are going to see our new classmates, we are going to see our new teachers, like everything's going to be new. So why not start with a new makeup? Like start with a good makeup. Now I'm going to set my highlight and I'm going to set my face using my Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to go into set my contoured areas as well using my Primark powder, and yeah. So now we're going to go straight to the brows. First off, I'm just trying to like line my brows, trying to give them a shape using my brow pencil. And I'm just going to take this Sephora, just basically a lip liner. I'm just going to make it like fill my brows. Now I'm trying to brush my brows and I'm going to clean my brows using a concealer, just trying to like follow the shape I gave to my brows with my pencil. And with the brows are not difficult. You just have to like have one particular way of you doing your brows, so you don't get distracted every time when you want to like create something with your brows. So I think that's what makes the brows difficult, because we have so many ideas in our head. But if not, brows are not difficult. So now we're going to go to my eyes. First, I'll be using my NYX palette. I'm going to use a very light shade, just like a pinkish kind of shade. I'm now going to the dark, like dark red or dark brown, I'll say. And I'm going to like blend this all over my crease, trying to blend. And I think for days now I'm be wearing just one particular look. I think I've been experimenting different types of shadows. Now I'm going to blend my eyeshadow using another brush, and I'm going to go to this like kind of a glowing or reddish pinkish eyeshadow. Just like I just want all my eyeshadow to be the same color, because I don't want to go for something that's really dramatic. I want to go for something really simple, but at the same time a little bit glammed. So basically, when I took this look, like when I wore this look to work, everyone was just telling me like, oh my god, I love your makeup, like, okay, thank you, all right, thank you, okay, yeah, thank you. So now I'm just like trying to like smoke my eyes. I took a little bit of brown eyeshadow, just like smoke the outer parts of my eyes, and I'm going to go with this, like just the base, just like highlight my brows. I'm going to use I just finished applying my eyeliner, sorry, and now I'm going to like use a very dark pencil for my under eyes. I'm just going to like apply my mascara just for me to fix my lashes. And my lashes, they are really short. Hello, don't judge me. Basically, I went off line, just to say I went off basically. I'll just film what was not filming. Anyways, I used my NYX powder to like dust off my excess eyeshadow, and I always like to like contour my face again after doing my full face, just to like bring out my contour art more defined. Now I'm using my Sephora highlighter just to highlight my face, basically the face parts, the areas of our face that needs to be highlighted. And I'm going back using my NYX palette just to like pop up that highlight and that way to be cute. But for school, it's not necessary. You know, the first day of school, want to look body, like, hello, I'm here, yeah, I'm back, I'm living, I'm okay, thank you. Next please. Lashes are my best part when it comes to makeup. So for my lashes, I use my hair bond. Yeah, hair bond takes it makes I basically, yeah, why I prefer using a hair bond, because it makes my lashes just to stay for the full day, if not more than. So I prefer using a hair bond, sorry. And depends on you, you can use lash bond, but yeah, we have different preference. I'm going back again to my eyes just to like highlight my tear dots, going back using a very glowy eyeshadow. And we're going to go to the lips. For my lips, I'm using Sephora lip liner, sorry, to like line my lips. And now I'm using this velvet color. It's from Makeup Paris, and I'm just going to like use my blending brush to blend the two colors together just to make them match. And now I'm using my It Cosmetics. Please guys, go patronize your girl, she have good lips gloss. And yeah, that's the finished look. Let me not talk too much. Bye, see you guys in my next video. Ciao.